Okay, so very good morning, all of you. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are very much audible.
Okay. Okay, so I am Surabhi Jogi, visa counselor from Disha Education Consultancy, and I'm extremely overwhelmed to get this opportunity to address you to this webinar of St. Clair College on behalf of Disha Education Consultancy. We are into the education industry since 2004, now having 11 branches pan India, focusing on delivering our expertise for admissions in reputed universities and colleges at both national as well as international level for some of the major countries like Canada. So St. Clair has been a home to several well-known people who have made it really big in the corporate world. So this college is known as the best college in the state of Ontario, and the college has spent over $3 million in scholarship every year by serving over 8,500 full-time as well as 20,000 part-time learners on 3 campuses. Okay, so now on the highlighting side, I would like to address all of you that we are offering about 50% waiver on application fee when it comes to St. Clair College. And now I'd like to welcome Ms. Neha Dikshit. She's the regional representative of South Asia from St. Clair College. We are honored to have you, ma'am, with us in this webinar. Thank you for giving us your precious time and joining us today. Our MD, Mrs. Poonam Malik, has also joined the webinar. Ma'am? Ma'am, are you there?
Yeah, hi and welcome to the webinar. We are extremely thrilled to have you with us. And it is great opportunity for all the students and our partners to know more about this college. We have been associated with St. Clair since a long time, and it is great in terms of the opportunities that they give to the students. And let's hear more from you about the college and the.
Thank you so much, Poonam. And I would like to thank all of you, the team Disha, for inviting me here. And thank you for Kiran, who is arranging this session. So, welcome you all. My name is Neha Dikshit, and I'm the regional representative of St. Clair College. I manage South Asia, Philippines, and Vietnam for St. Clair College. So, thank you for taking out your precious time and joining me today. I have a brief presentation about the college where you will be getting more information about a bit history about St. Clair College, our program offerings, and which all programs are open for winter 2022 intake, which is our next intake now, the admission requirements and the kind of scholarship opportunities you can expect, and our comprehensive student services. So I just would like to quickly share my screen to show you that presentation. And once I'll done with this presentation, please let me know whatever questions you will have, and I'll be glad to answering them. Can you please make me the host so that I can share my screen? Yeah, thank you. I hope my screen is visible.
Yeah, it is.
Yes, it's visible.
Right. So just to start with a quick history about St. Clair College. So we are established in 1967. So we have a quite long history of 50 plus years in teaching quality. We have 3 campuses. The main campus is located in Windsor. Then our second campus is in Windsor downtown. So the distance between two of these campuses are just 20 minutes ride. So if you decide to stay at the on-campus residences, which is offered at our main campus, so you don't have to worry about the commuting part because you can easily stay at the residences and commute to our downtown campus through a city bus, which you can board from the main campus itself. Then our third campus is located in Catham, which is again 1 hour ride from the main campus of Windsor. In all 3 campuses, right now, 13,000 full time students are studying, out of which 6,500 are the international students who are joining us from 100 plus different countries. Also, in terms of annual scholarships and bursaries, we have the scholarship to our current students. So once you start your academic program at St. Clair College, based on your academics, every year you can avail some kind of a scholarships, and those are completely based on your merit. The second types of scholarships we do have related to sports. So if you're interested to participate in any of the sports competition, And if you really play well, your coach can nominate you for the various sports-based scholarship on our campus. Now, this slide will give you more information about the distance to our main campus from some of the major cities of Canada. So from Toronto, our main campus is located 3.5 hours drive. From the capital of Canada, we are 8 hours drive. And from Niagara, the main campus is located just 4 hours ride. And as I mentioned earlier, the distance between two of our major campuses, which is Windsor and Chatham, it is 1 hour ride from. So our main campus, which is Windsor. So right now, Windsor is our main campus. So right now, it is the home of approximately 8,000 full-time students. So generally, the programs are related to business, engineering, and technology we are delivering at our Windsor campus. Apart from the academic programs, this campus is also offering the comprehensive student services. And I'm going to talk more about those student services at the later part of the presentation. Also, our downtown campus. So St. Clair was the first one to introduce the campus at downtown. And then we have expanded our footprints to include some other faculties on this campus. I'm sure that you must be aware about one of our popular programs, Data Analytics for Business, which we are delivering at our downtown campus. Apart from this IT-related programs, the other programs which we are delivering here are related to media, arts, and design, because this campus has a faculty called Mediaplex, where we are delivering our programs related to designing and theater and performing arts. Moving on, our third campus, which is Chatham. So again, 1 hour drive from the main campus. And right now it is the home of approximately 1,300 full-time students. And mainly in this campus, the programs related to healthcare and nursing are available. Now, this campus is also offering on-campus residences, so you can easily stay inside the campus. The best part with these amazing residences, because these are located inside the campus, so you can save a lot of money while avoiding the transportation cost, because you will be staying inside the campus, which is more safer, and also it is just walkable distance from the academic building. Moving on, I'm sure that you would like to know more about the city, because you would like to know about the city, about the weather condition, about the part-time working opportunities. So Windsor is the 16th largest cities of Canada. The total population of the city is 130,000, out of which 85 to 90,000 people are immigrants. Do you mind disabling the waiting room so all the participants can join without the permission?
No, I'll just do that, ma'am. No worries.
Okay. Also, it is one of the most student-friendly and one of the most safest cities of Canada. In terms of the weather condition, because when we talk about Canada, Canada is very popular for the extreme weather conditions. But this is not the case with us, because all three of our campuses are located at the most southern part of Canada. That's why we really enjoy a pleasant weather throughout the year. The winter temperature remain as +4 or +5. Also, we really enjoy a long summer. The temperature is going up to +24 or +25, which I believe is quite manageable by the applicants from India. Also, we do share the international border with the US. So the border is just 5 minutes ride from the main campus. So that creates a lots of economic related activities between two of the countries. In fact, Windsor and Detroit are known as the twin cities because both the cities are connected through a bridge, which is known as Ambassador Bridge. And you will meet many people who are staying in Windsor, but they are working in Detroit. Also, because Canada is Michigan's most important trading partner, so that creates a lots of job opportunities in the city. Apart from these economic activities, Windsor-Essex County is also known as the automobile hub of Canada. Because if you talk about all three big automakers like General Motors and Fiat, they have their head office in Windsor. That creates a lots of job opportunities related to engineering and some other technical fields. That's why the employment rate with some of our engineering programs are going up to 90% each year. And we do have many good opportunities in terms of internship and field placement with those programs. Majority of our students are working off campus. But whenever we have any opening on campus, we definitely would like to inform you. So at times you'll be working with a professor and helping them in a research work. You might be working in the library, cafeteria, or with the international marketing team. The kind of job opportunities you can expect outside the campus. So you can start working with any of the supermarkets. You can start working in the stores like Dollarama, Dollar Tree, McDonald's. The best part is these stores will treat you like a domestic applicants only. So whatever rules will be applicable to their employees who are like international students, it will be applicable to you as well. So there will be no discrimination. So these are some of the best features about Windsor. And if I have to define the city in a one sentence, I will say it's like living in a big city without the cost and without the traffic. Now, moving on, why you should consider St. Clair College. So the main reason I talked about the comfortable climate and international border. But apart from that, I'm sure you would like to know what kind of a programs we are offering. So we have a long list of program offerings, which is going up to 120 plus programs. Doesn't matter whether you're from an arts background or commerce background, commerce with math, without maths. We have a long list of program offerings for you. And you can anytime check our entire program offerings on our website, which is stclaircollege.ca. And instead of two amazing residences, now we have three amazing residences on our campus. So starting from fall 2021, we are offering two residences at our main campus and one is in Chatham campus. Also, in terms of employability, because everybody would like to work after completion of their programs. So our employability rate is going up to 89% each year with majority of our programs. And this is the kind of ratings we have been receiving from our employer throughout the year, constantly from the last 5 or 6 years. The reason being, when you go through our program offerings and see the program outline, the structure of the programs, our programs are not only limited till the academics. It has many more practical experience to offer you during your studies. So with each of our programs, we have field placement, internship, and at times paid internships as well, or co-op. So that gives you a lot of opportunities to build your employer network during your studies, gain some professional work experience. With some of our graduate certificate programs, we have a project called Capstone Project, where we will be assigning you a specific topic and you'll be working with an employer to complete that specific project. And don't worry, we have career services on campus who will be helping you to find out these opportunities. Talking about our program offerings, so as I mentioned, we have 120 plus different programs and with all duration. So starting from fall 21, we have introduced two new degree programs as well, which is Bachelor's of Business Administration and Bachelor's of Applied Arts. Both of these are 4 years undergraduate degrees. The first one, Bachelor's of Business Administration, Information Communication Technology. So as the name itself says, it's a combination of two programs. One is business and the second is information technology. Because right now, when you talk to the employers, they look for the professional who can multitask, who are not only well-versed with human resource management, marketing, or finance, but they should have some kind of a technical skills to adjust themselves in today's professional world. So that's why we have designed this program by including some basic level of technical skills. The other program, Bachelor of Applied Arts, it includes a component like social services and Canadian law, psychology, criminology. So good for the student who are from an art background or who would like to make their career in the field of law. With both of these programs, we are offering 14 weeks of paid internship after completion of year third. So once you're done with your 3 years or 6 semesters, you can join that 16 weeks of internship, and it is going to be a paid internship. And our career services will make sure that every student will get into this scholarship, this internship. Moving on, apart from these degree programs, we have other programs which are related to 2 years undergraduate diplomas, 3 years advanced diplomas at UG level, and graduate certificate programs. So under these 7 faculties, these are some of our most popular programs. These are only just few programs which are very popular, but apart from these, we have many other programs in the field of hospitality. We have programs related to music, theater, performing arts, and variety of engineering programs. This slide will give you more information about your background and how you can choose your desired field of study at St. Clair College. So if you're from an art background, you can join our community and justice services. You can join any design related programs. But for design related programs, apart from your academic, we also need a very strong portfolio. So basically, we need some artwork which you have already prepared in terms of painting or sculptures. If you are from an commerce background, apart from business diploma programs, you can also join border services, advertising and marketing program. Now, this advertising and marketing program is rated among the best in the entire province. The reason being, this program also covers more practical component and several professional certification which is required to be completed during the program. If you have interest for animation, you can join our animation 2D or 3D program. For medical background student, you can join our occupational therapist program, fitness and health promotion, pharmacy technician, or practical nursing. For non-medical, we have a variety of engineering program or few programs which are related to software engineering. So these are the variety of programs we have for you. And I'm sure that in India, we majorly face this problem, specifically with CBSE, where the student does not have grade 12 mathematics, or maybe you have least interest to study grade 12 maths. So don't worry if you do not have one, because these are the programs open for you without grade 12 mathematics. And again, these are only few programs. So we have few more programs where we do not require grade 12 maths. Also, with some of our program where we have a subject specific requirements. So for example, with our engineering program where we are looking for grade 12 maths, but we are quite flexible in terms of the marks criteria. So for us, we are not looking for grade 12 maths with 70% or 80%. If you have just passed grade 12 maths with say 35 or 40%, that is well enough for us. So you can still apply to any of our programs. For practical nursing program where we need grade 12 biology. So if your score in biology grade 12 is 40%, you're still good to go for for the program. Now moving on, talking more about our graduate certificate program. So in total, we have 7 graduate certificate programs. If you are willing to make your career in digital marketing, you can apply to our web and interactive advertising program. If you are from healthcare background, our autism and behavioral science program is open for you. If you have interest for construction, interior designing, or maybe architect, you can join construction project. For IT background students, they can join data analytics for business. And for business graduate program students, they can join IBM logistics. Apart from these,
Nehaji, excuse me, Kiran this side. Sorry to interrupt you. Subi, can we meet all other participants on mute, please?
Yes, sir, doing that.
Thank you. Yes.
So apart from these graduate certificate program, which you can see in the slide, we have 2 more programs, graduate certificate in human resource management and graduate certificate in event management. For all our graduate certificate programs, either we are looking for the similar academic background, or in the absence of similar academic background, the student should have relevant fieldwork experience of minimum 6 months. So just to put it in an example, if the student is planning to study international business management logistics system at St. Clair, they should have passed their bachelor's in BCom, MCom, BBA, or MBA. But in the absence of these degrees, if the student is working in the business field from the last 6 months, they can still apply to this program. These are the programs which are open for January 2022 intake now. So we have already started taking the applications for our January 2022 intake. Our September 21 is completely full. And so we have opened for January 2022. And these are the graduates program which are open. So graduate certificate in data analytics, human resource management, event management, and international business management logistics. And these are the programs which are open in undergraduate level. So our all business diploma programs of 2 and 3 years. So we have business general diploma program, business marketing, business finance, human resource, office administrative general, culinary management, hospitality management, web development, pre-health services, construction engineering technician, mechanical engineering, and power engineering. These are the programs which are open for winter 2022 intake right now. Talking about our admission requirements, of course, this is one of my favorite slides because St. Clair is very popular for the flexible admission requirements. So we are looking for 50% and above in your previous academic qualification. So it doesn't matter if you're planning to apply to our bachelor's degree or undergraduate diploma or advanced diploma program or our graduate certificate programs, you should have completed your previous academic qualification with 50% and above. We do accept variety of English language proficiency scores. So the TOEFL IBT is acceptable with the score of 78. IELTS academic and general both are acceptable with the minimum score of 6 bands overall with no band under 5.5, Duolingo with 100 and PTE with 51. Also, we do have a provision for the conditional acceptance. So if you're planning to apply to our UG programs, but you're still awaiting your grade 12th result, you can make an application on the basis of your predictive scores. Or if you are thinking to apply to a graduate certificate, but still waiting to receive your final year degree, you can make the application with your provisional degree certificate. Even in the absence of IELTS scores, you can start preparing for your application and you can submit your IELTS at the later stage. Turnaround time, it means the application processing time is right now 5 to 7 business days. And right now we are offering a 50% discounted application fee. So the cost of our application fee is 125 Canadian dollars, but due to this discounted application fee, you can submit your application with 62.50 Canadian dollars. And this offer is available until 31st of July, 2021. Also, in terms of backlogs and gap, there are no restrictions. So even if you have 10 backlogs, 20 backlogs, we can accept it. Even we do not require gap justification letter. In terms of the gap years or extended degree, both are acceptable. We do accept open schooling or correspondence programs for all our courses at St. Clair College. Your institutions, if you have done your open schooling, then your institution should be recognized by UGC or AICTE. And once you're accepted at the college, you can apply to the residences. So we have 3 residences where you can put your application. So if you're studying at our downtown campus or the main campus, you can stay at the main campus only. Or if you are studying the programs related to healthcare and nursing, you'll be staying at our Chatham residence. Also at St. Clair, we are promising you the lifelong learning. Does that mean that if you are joining St. Clair for undergraduate diplomas or advanced diploma program, but somehow if in between the program you wish to complete your degree, so in that case you can transfer
Ma'am, actually, I won't be able to access because you're the host currently. So could you just
a second. Yeah. So suppose if you're joining St. Clair for 3 years advanced diploma in interior designing, but you wish to complete your bachelor's, then you can study 3 years at St. Clair College to complete your advanced diploma in interior designing and transfer to Wayne State University, the US, to complete 1 year and get your bachelor's of fine arts. So we have already done the course mapping with these institutions. You can easily transfer your program after completion of relevant diploma or advanced diploma from St. Clair. Also, I talked about the student services at the beginning of my presentation. So apart from the academics, you can expect these services for you available on our campus, starting from mentoring, guiding, educational counseling, immigration counseling, which plays an important role because I'm sure everybody would like to work off part-time. So what are your rights, how many hours you're allowed to work, and which all documents you will be required in order to start work? which all places you can find the employment, and what documentation you need to complete before starting working. So our immigration counselor will help you for all these steps. Apart from these services, we have career services. So once you start working part-time or you're about to finish your academics and planning to find out a job, the career services will be helping you to build your profile, how to make your resume, what information you should put or what you shouldn't. Also, we do organize job fair throughout the years where you can participate and meet the different employers to discuss your profile. So that kind of comprehensive student services we have for each one of you. You are just required to book your appointment with the concerned counselor and meet them personally. If you are interested to play any of these sports, we have these kind of a sports facility or a proper infrastructure for you available on our campus. In fact, we do offer 1,250 Canadian dollars each semester for the students who are really good in playing any of these sports. So once you arrive at the campus and start playing for any of the teams, your coach can nominate you for the various sports-based scholarships. In terms of the multiculturalism, we have these students from 100 plus different countries. So throughout the year, we'll be organizing the activities related to different cultures. We are naming it Cultural Couch. So you will not be only getting the opportunity to talk about your country and region, but while staying at a one campus, you'll be getting the option to learn about the entire world. And this is the kind of infrastructure you can expect while you stay at St. Clair College. This is our newly built stadium for all our sports related facilities. So anybody who is really keen to play the sports, they have access to this beautiful stadium. So that's all about St. Clair College. Now, I'll be glad to answer all of your questions. Feel free to ask or maybe write it in the chat box.
Hello. Good morning, ma'am. This is Priya,
Hi,
and
Priya.
I'd like to discuss my profile and what kind of courses will I be eligible for. I wanted to discuss about that.
Mhm.
So my profile is that I have currently appeared for my 12th CBSE exams, and I wanted to study something related to law for January 2020 intake, 22 intake. So I wanted to know more about the options that are available, as well as like what is the admission criteria for those programs.
So, if you are specifically looking for a program which is mainly related to law, we only have one program, which is Applied Arts, Social Justice, and Legal Studies. But Kriya, this program is closed for September intake, and the next intake is going to be September 2022.
Okay, so there won't be another program related to law.
That is the only program we have related to purely law, like because it includes Canadian law as well.
Okay, so and what about any business related programs? Like, what if I have an option of doing 2 years program of some business and then I can shift to the other university for completing that? You said that, right, about the degree program.
So, if you're planning to study a degree program, you do not have to move to any other university. What we can do, like we have business diploma programs open for January intake. Maybe you can start studying diploma from St. Clair, and once you complete your 2 years, you can transfer it to our Bachelor's of Business Administration program. Because as I mentioned, we have diploma as well as degree programs. So if you're looking for winter 2022 intake, because again,
Yeah.
our degree program in business is not open for January. So what you can do, you can start studying diploma in business. And once you complete your 2 years, you can join our degree program and complete your bachelor's in business administration, information communication technology.
And that would be of 2 years. So my total degree will be of 4 years.
That's correct. So 2 plus 2.
Okay, that's perfect. Thank you.
No worries. Good luck.
Thank you.
Do we have any other question?
Ma'am, myself, Megha. Hello.
Yes, Megha, tell me.
Ma'am, Kriya said that she want to go for law. And yeah, I want to know that I have completed my LLB 3 years ago. And now I'm practicing in Gujarat government court for 3 years. So like, can I join any program over there in your college?
Are you looking for a graduate level program? It means postgraduate level program.
Yes, ma'am, PG.
We do not have any law related programs at graduate level.
Okay. Thank you.
Smith, you wanted to ask something. Smith, are you there?
Yes, very good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yeah, tell me.
I have been put.
Your voice is echoing, right?
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, you are.
Yes, ma'am. I have one profile that is to be shared. The student is having 65% in 12 science. That is from B group, and he wants some program options for the physiotherapy. So I want an options for the physiotherapy program.
So what the student has done exactly, a diploma or a degree?
No, ma'am. He has done degree.
So he can join any of our occupational therapist program. We have a diploma program in occupational therapist, which he can join. But for such programs, we have a bit higher requirements for IELTS. So the requirement is overall 6.5 band with no section under 6, because these are the programs related to healthcare.
Yes. So is it possible if he has one module 5.5?
No, for such program, we required 6.5 overall with each 6.
Okay.
Neha, continuing on the same question, do we have fitness and health promotion for Jan 22 intake at St. Clair?
But related to physiotherapy, we have only occupational therapist program. Fitness and health promotion does cover physiotherapy as one of the component, but it is not a purely physiotherapy program.
Okay. And what's going to be the band's requirement for fitness and health promotion?
The same overall 6 band with no band under 5.5.
Wow, thank you. So Smith, I think we can work out this option for the student if he or she is comfortable to go ahead with.
Yeah. So if the student is not looking for purely physiotherapist program, we have other option like fitness and health promotion. Even we have pharmacy technician program. So you can just check with the applicant.
Hello, Neha. Am I audible to you?
Yes, you are, Gitanjali.
Hi, very good morning to you. How are you?
Good morning. I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm good. Thank you so much for asking. Neha, actually, I'm stuck somewhere. I would not be able to continue with the meeting. However, may I get your contact number? Maybe after a few days, I need to contact you. So is there any way, maybe your WhatsApp number or any email address wherein I can get in touch with you?
Yes, I can share my email address.
Mm-hmm.
So you can drop me an email on this. Just a second.
Sure.
Ms. Gitanjali, Kiran this side.
Hi, Kiran.
I would like to say that because this webinar is being arranged by Disha Education Conference, better you get in touch with them and probably, after looking at your query, we can do the needful.
Sure.
Okay, yeah.
Any more questions, anyone?
Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, hi, Mitiksha. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you.
Ma'am, I have just completed my diploma in aeronautical engineering.
Mm-hmm.
So, for what kind of program I can apply?
We have some engineering program if you have interest for that, but related to aeronautical, we do not have any program.
Okay, so you do
We have a
aviation
program,
management.
yeah, engineering technology, equipment and devices, or architectural technology, or we have civil engineering technology. If you have interest for that, or industrial automation.
Okay, and do you have courses like robotics?
Yes, we do have robotics program, which is undergraduate level program.
Okay, so can I apply for Gen Intake? And
This
if
program,
yeah,
yeah, please
yes,
go ahead.
and then what will be the criteria? Like, what will be the cutoff?
So unfortunately, this program is not open for our January intake as of now.
Okay,
Yeah, the next intake is going to be September 2022.
okay,
Yeah, and we again, I'm sure that you will meet the requirement as you have already completed your engineering. So for this program, we need grade 12 maths.
but I have completed my diploma program after 10.
So is it 10 plus 3 years diploma?
Yes,
Okay. And you haven't studied grade 10th maths even?
yes, I have good score in 10th and also in the all years of diploma.
So for this program, Atiksha, even if you do not have grade 12 maths, then we can only accept your profile if you have done your diploma or degree in electrical, electronics, or mechanical.
Okay,
Yeah, because robotics involve these kind of a components of electrical, electronics, and mechanical.
so can I apply for mechanical engineering after completing the aeronautical engineering in diploma?
For mechanical engineering program, again, have a similar pattern. Because the
Okay,
grade 12 maths is the biggest component we are looking for our engineering programs. If you do not have grade 12 maths, so what we are accepting, if you have done suppose a degree or diploma in the relevant field. So suppose if the student does not have grade 12 maths, but if they have done any diploma related to electronic or mechanical, whatever programs they are looking for. So if you're looking for electronical engineering, you should have done your diploma in electronical. If you have done mechanical engineering, you can go for our mechanical engineering diploma. That's how it works if you do not have grade 12 maths.
okay, thank you.
Most welcome. Good luck.
Ma'am, I want to know physics regarding any PG program over there.
Megha, we do not offer any physics related program. In the field of science, we only have one program, but that is for healthcare background students.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Most welcome.
Yes, anybody else? Any more questions? Okay, so ma'am, I think these are all the doubts that people had right now. So I would really like to express my heartfelt thanks to everybody who's participated in this webinar today, and hope to have even more better webinars soon. Thanks a lot, Ms. Neha. It was a pleasure having you with us, and hope to see you again. And special thank you to Kiran sir that you made this happen for us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity and hope to meet you everyone soon. Thank you.
Definitely, ma'am. Thank
Thank you,
you.
ma'am.
My pleasure.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you,
Bye,
Neha.
everyone. Please
Thank
take
you
care.
James, for organizing this on such a short notice. And thank you, Neha, ma'am. That was really great in-depth, information about the college and the courses. I hope all the queries have been cleared. So if we need any more assistance, definitely we'll get touch base with you.
Sure, please do not hesitate at all.
Thanks a lot for your time. And thank you, Kiran, sir.
My pleasure.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. Bye.